We welcome you to the departure lounge for flight 168 to Kona at gate A16. Please remain.
All right, here is our room. We're at the Royal Kona Resort. Double bed. Nice table. They upgraded us to complete direct oceanfront room. And we got a 5-hour early check-in. Check this view out. Got the bar down there and restaurant. There's a pool and an amazing view. Basically, that's what you're paying for. Huge lanai. You could have a big party out here. Sick view. Of the Royal Kona Resort. Nice big monkey pod tree and a giant tiki in the front. So here's the saltwater lagoon they have at the Royal Kona. They got nice tiki huts and sands and chairs. And then they got a natural saltwater lagoon broken off from the rocks, so you get incoming ocean water and man-made little stairs. Amazing. It looks like you can get out over there too and get on the outside. Sick. Good morning from Kailua Kona. Woke up and there's a huge cruise ship out there. So it got me thinking, for people on a budget, that might be a good option. Accommodations on every island have got so out of control. And then if you don't have Kama'aina and they're not hooking you up, you have resort fees now everywhere, crazy parking fees. Every hotel, every island, which usually you can't touch a room now anywhere for $300 a night or less. Then you're adding $100 in fees. I mean, it's getting crazy. So the Hawaii Island cruise ship might be a good option. You can get to all the islands. You will have an ocean view from the boat. You get to explore the island and sleep on the boat. Might be something good to look into. My brain was just going about that. There's the glass bottom boat. It's been going around in the same area. There must be a lot of fish right there. Seen some swimmers earlier. The water's so calm. If I had my mask, I wish I brought my stuff now. I could have actually went right from the rocks. The reef looks amazing. We're in Kailua Kona Town. It's Tuesday, maybe like 5 p.m. Not too crowded. Nice day. Walking through the town, seeing what's going on. All the restaurants and bars are pretty decently busy. Got this awesome art shop, some tattoo shops and stuff down here. All kinds of different options for food or drinks. It's really nice.
This has a Grant Peacock.
We just came into an art gallery off the street. There's some best art I've seen. The detail is unreal. Check out this ahi.
The turtle looks so cool.
Turtle. There's a QR code if you're interested. Same with this. There's a QR code. Alex Gupton. Hope I didn't say it wrong. It's amazing. Check out the metal prints. Anything I have, I like better on metal prints. Metal prints make the artwork so much better. You can actually get them printed at Costco too. It's a good lava one. Check out this glass octopus. Probably the best I've ever seen. These are amazing. Check this out. There's a QR code. It's awesome. Pretty much any color you want. This red one's fire. Hope the sun's not messing it up. It's so amazing. Prices really aren't that bad for the size. Here's his signature hidden character in everyone. And there you can see the details in his art. Unbelievable.
That wouldn't be it, would it?
There's another guy's photographs on metal. It's hard with the reflections. Metal prints are awesome.
Oh no, here he is, baby. Look. This is it. Oh yeah, that one's sold.
There's some of his floating art, and he still got the hidden bob. There's a QR code if you want. Alright, sun went down. Time to party. There's Humpies. There's the volleyball court.
I saw me and Jimmy doing crazy things, like doing a Filipino love song.
Okay, what other place is good? Humpies is good. Big Island Ale House. Upstairs, Laverne Sports Bar. Good spot also. Alright, enjoy.